10th Mathematics. Practice and learn daily. Word problems on quadratic equations. Session 6. Word problems on time and work. Example: A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. If both A and B together can finish it in 4 days, find the time taken by B to finish the work. Solution: let B alone takes X days to finish the work. A alone can finish it in X minus 6 days. 6 days less than B, therefore X minus 6 days. A's 1 day's work. A's 1 day's work is 1 divided by X minus 6. Then B's 1 day's work is 1 divided by X. Now A and B both finish the work in 4 days. Therefore A and B's work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 4. It implies 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 6 is equal to 1 by 4. The both A and B work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 4. A's work is 1 by X plus B's work is 1 by X minus 6. Now multiply throughout by the denominator is X, X minus 6 and 4. We don't want the denominator, therefore multiply throughout by 4 into X minus 6 into X. Now if I multiply with the first fraction, that is 1 by X, X cancel, I got 4 into X minus 6 plus second 1 minus X minus 6 into 4 into X minus 6 into X. X minus 6 and X minus 6 are cancelled, only 4 into X are remains. That's again equal to this side 1 by 4 is there, 4 cancel, X into X minus 6 remains. It again implies 4 into X, 4X minus 4 into 6, that is 24, plus 4 into X, 4X, that's equal to X into X, X square minus 6X. So if I taken here again, it implies 4x, that is 8x minus 24. If I transfer to this side, it becomes X square minus 6x. 8x becomes minus 8x. When I transfer to this side, minus 24. When I transfer to this side, again plus 24 is equal to 0. Now again it implies minus 6x minus 8x, that is equal to minus 14x. X square minus 14x plus 24 is equal to 0. Now product of extremes to solve the quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. Product of extremes is, one side is x square, coefficient is 1, constant term is 24, that is product of extremes is 24. Then sum the coefficient of x, that is minus 14. If I multiply, I should get 24. If I add or subtract, I get minus 14. So very simple. 12 2 ja 24, 12 plus 2 14. So 12 into 2. So I need minus 14, therefore I have to put both side minus sign, minus plus. If I multiply, minus plus, 12 into 2 plus 24. If I add minus 12 minus 2, that is minus 14. Now coefficient of x square is 1, therefore divided by 1. Coefficient of x square is 1, therefore divided by 1. Now it implies I will write x minus 12 in another bracket, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then it again implies x minus 12 is equal to 0, that is x equal to 12 or x equal to 2. So therefore B alone takes 12 days to finish the work. I will not take x value as 2. This means I subtract 6 days, then it should be minus 4. Therefore always take x as 12. Therefore B alone takes 12 days to finish the work. Practice questions. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So smaller one you have to take as x, larger one x minus 10, then 1 hour it should be 1 divided by x minus 10 plus 1 divided by x is equal to 1 divided by 9 3/8. So next solve the questions. Second one, A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. If both A and B together can finish the work in 12 days, find the time taken by B to finish the work. Same as I solved. Third one, two taps running together can fill a tank in 1/13 hours. If one tap takes 3 hours more than to the other to fill the tank, then how much time will each tap take to fill the tank, as I discussed in the first problem. Now fourth one, two pipes running together can fill a tank in 1/9 minutes. If one pipe takes 5 minutes more than the other to fill a tank separately, find the time in which each pipe would fill the tank separately. Here both side minutes is given, you don't bother about the time. Next fifth one, two water taps together can fill a tank in 6 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 9 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Thank you.